So hello guys, so in this video we will see the solution explanation of this radar DI. This is actually based on time and work. Okay, and based on this DI we will solve three questions, three different questions. Okay, so this is the thing, and before starting the video I would like to say that if you have not visited to the other video, please go and visit, check how see how they are, give your review about that these all videos. If you like, okay, then hit like button, and if you do not like the button, do not like the video, please tell the reason why you do not like. Okay, what improvement you want in this video. So please cooperate me, tell me what improvement you required. And one more thing before explaining the solution. Okay, actually I got many messages, many comments in my previous videos that please also bring the videos in English language. We are not able to understand the Hindi, so these are the videos just only for that students. Okay, this same question will be also in Hindi, so you go and check there if you want to see the explanation of this Hindi. Okay, if you want to see in English, then keep it continue. So I hope you understand. And one more thing, that I am not a English teacher. I just only know the basics of English. If I made any mistakes, so please avoid that and focus to the content. Okay, so let's start. What the given, that a temple is to be built in a village in which 8 pillars are to be constructed. So here we have a temple, and there are 8 pillars in this temple, and 8 person ABCDEFGH are hired to build those pillars. Here we have 8 person. These 8 person will build this the pillar of this temple. After this, there are two shifts to work on those pillars. What are the shift? Day shift and night shift. Day shift start from 9 to 17, and night shift start to 20 to 4 o'clock. Okay, so this is time also given to us, and I hope you understand this. What is the meaning of this? Like if it is given 17 now, so 17 means, I hope you this already know. This is very basic. So what we will do, we will subtract 20. We will get the normal value. What we see, this is this time usually taken by railway. Okay, so this was the basic. If you don't know this, was that's why I explained. If you don't know this thing, maybe most of the students are watching this video, they are beginners. So okay, after this, the radar graph given below shows the number of hour each of them takes to make the pillar while working only in day shift and only in night shifts. What is the meaning of these two lines? The meaning of this is, if A is working in day shift, how long he will take to complete that work in day shift. Okay, if only he works in day shift, not in night shift, so what time he will take, that time is given here. Similarly for night, and similarly for all these person. Okay, hope you understand this. Now let's start the questions. Okay, see what the first question is. If EFG started working on the same pillar at 4 o'clock, 14 o'clock, 14 on 3/10/23, date also given to us, at what time they will complete the pillar. Now we have E, F and G. We have to focus only on these three persons. And one more thing, before explaining this, I would like to write few things here. One, two, you also, I would like to suggest you also use this same method. Okay, this will help you a lot in exam, because it reduce over a lot of time. It can save over time. So just simply write 1 to 9. Why 1 to 9? Count these all: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if our here number are 7, then I write only up to 7. Okay, I hope you got it. Now just simply write these number in front of this. 1, here 35 will come, 35 and 30, 25, 20, 15 and 10, 5 and then 0. Okay, got it. Now what is the use of this, you will just see in just next 5 minutes. You just wait and watch. We want EFG only, so we will focus EFG, and they started at 14 o'clock. What is the meaning of 14 o'clock? 14 o'clock means the 2 o'clock of day shift. I'm just making the clock here so that we can easily understand. 1 2 4 5 7 and 8. Okay, sorry 7 8 9 10 and 11. So they started at 2 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, 1 and 2, they started at 2 o'clock. So they started here, okay, and the day shift end on 5 o'clock. So how long, how many hours they can work? 1 hour, 2 hour and 3 hour maximum in the day. In that day shift in which they start, they can work maximum 3 hours only. After that the night shift will start at 9 o'clock. Okay, you can see here, night shift start at 8 o'clock. Sorry, night shift start at night 8 o'clock. Okay, so they can maximum they can work at only 3 hours. So what we will do, first of all we will check the timing which are required by them. So I'm writing here E, F and G. Now check the timing of day shift only. Day shift, focus to the day shift. Day shift is in blue color. So first of all E and blue is here. So count now. What we will do, we will just simply count up to here. So count 1 2, count that also, same that point also. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5. So check what is written on fifth number, 20. So we will write simply 20. Next F, check the blue only, 1 2 and 3. What is then written on third place, 30. So we will write 30. I hope you understand what is the use of this. It has become it has made our this complicated radar DI very easy. This also check at the what is written at third place, 30. So then up to here I hope you understand. Now just simply take the LCM. What is the LCM? 60. Now just simply calculate the efficiency, divide by 20 will give 322. Okay, but these are the efficiency, but they can maximum in this shift, they can maximum work 3 hours only. Okay, so just add these all three. This will give 4 and 3 7. 7 3 are 21. 7 3 are 21 means out of 60 they have done, they completed 21 work. Okay, got it? Out of the 60 was the total work, this was total work, and they can complete in this with their efficiency in 3 hours they can complete 21 work out of this 60. So now what the work done, they have done 21 out of 60. Now what left, if you want to calculate the left, so just subtract simply by 160 and it will give, just subtract this. One more thing, we can eliminate, we can cut this by 3, 7 by 20. Now what will left, 13 by 20. Mean we know we have calculated up to here, we have completed 7 work out of 20. Now 13 work is left out of 20. So now just come to the, now day shift is over. Now the night shift will start from 8 o'clock. Okay, once again you see here 8 o'clock, 20 means 8 o'clock. So and it will goes up to 4 o'clock. So it will go up to here. So how many hours will be there then? 8 hours will be there. If you count now, 4 hours this and 4 hours this, 4 and 4, 8 hours. 8 hours will be there. So we don't know that how long they will take. So what we will do in this condition, again that same procedure we will use. First of all we will calculate, we will find out the what are the time required by them to completing in night shift. Now we will take the time of night shift, and night shift in red color. So E red color is 40. Okay, and F red color is in 1 2 3 4 5. 5 means what is written at 20. Okay, next G is written at third place. What is written here? 30. So this is done. Now calculate the LCM. LCM will be 120. Just simply calculate the their efficiency. Just simply divide and calculate 3 and 6, and this will be 4. So this is their efficiency, and this we have assumed here total work. Okay, but if you remember that here we have calculated total work as a 20, and out of that total work 13 was left. Okay, so what we will do now, we will just convert this total work according to this. Okay, so what I will do for that, I will just simply multiply this. Now calculate just this 120 divided by 20 will give us 6, and 16 3 13 6 ja 78. So we now want to complete 78 work. Okay, I hope you got it. Once again I will repeat this. If you want to repeat now, it will make our video longer, so I don't want that. So you just go back, reverse it, and see that what I explained. So this work we want to this work is left, they will do with these efficiency. Now just add these all three. What will be the total? This give us total as 13. So now divide this work by their efficiency, then this will work divided by efficiency gives us time. You know now this thing very well. So if we divide 78 by 13, it will give us 6. 13 6 is 78. It means they will take 6 hours. Now just see, now just calculate at what time their work will complete. There this is night shift is going on, and they started at 6 o'clock, sorry 8 o'clock. Night shift start at 8 o'clock, and after 6 hours what will be 2 o'clock, mean their work will complete at 2 o'clock in at night. Okay, this thing we have calculated. After this date also left now. So what will be the date? You know that if when we start at this point in morning, in day shift. So here up to here this point up to here date was 3rd. Okay, up to here the date was 3rd, but as we just go ahead of this up to here these 2 hours, our date change. So mean here will be 4 10 23. Okay, I hope you understand. So date will be 4 10 23, and 2 o'clock their work will, at 2 o'clock their work will complete. Okay, I hope you got it. If you have any confusion, then you please comment and ask your question. If any part you do not understand, then this is the recorded video, you just go back and watch that part again. Now we are going to next question. Next question is when E and F work together, their efficiency drop by 16.67 of their actual efficiency of that time. Okay, so here what it is given to us, it is given that the efficiency is dropped by 16.67. What is the fraction of this? If you remember this, the fraction of this is 1/6. Okay, let me first read the question. If they start working at this time and this date and work continuously, at what time work will be finished? Okay, so we just have to calculate the time which will be required to complete. Okay, so first of all just solve this part. 1/6, we know this is the fraction of this. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? If their efficiency, it is clearly given that their efficiency drop by this part. So suppose their efficiency was 6, then this will be reduced by 1, mean their efficiency, new efficiency will be 5. Earlier their efficiency was 6, but now their efficiency will be 5. Okay, once let me check, is everything okay? Okay, done. So now their efficiency is 5. Earlier it was 6. This is efficiency. So just we have calculated this. Now just opposite to that, this, if what we will write, if they were taking 5 hours, the time was 5, now they will take 6. Okay, whatever time was there, now they will take 6 time. Okay, got it? Now we will just simply solve this. First of all, what I will do, whatever the times are given, I will convert that time according to this, that with the time which is given, that is equal to 5, but I want to calculate according to 6, because now this is new, this is old, I don't want this, this is new, so I will calculate according to this now. So I have to convert that time, that all the time which are given here, mean of E and F only, so I will convert that into according to 6. So just I am doing that work first. Just write here A, E, F, day and night. Now just see what is the time of E in day shift. E, what is the color of day shift? Blue color. E, blue color. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 20. Okay, now F, which color? Blue color. 3 30. Now see the red color, E 40, and here 5, 1 2 3 4 5, it will be 20. Okay, got it. Now what we will do, these all time is equal to 5, but we want equal to 6, so we will do multiply by 6 and divide by 5. Similarly here, okay, we will just convert all these time in according to this, 6 by 6 by 5. Now check, these are the basic calculation I'm doing. Firstly, 8 48, and here 4 24, and here it will be 636. Okay, now we will, whatever with the calculation we are going to do now, we will use these values only, these values, 24 36 24 48. Okay, now let's start the question. Now this was the only efficiency part we have solved. This was the efficiency part only. So they have started at 12 o'clock. So this time is when it comes, mean this come in at night or at afternoon. You tell me this thing. At night, if 12 o'clock is there in the watch, it shows 0000. Okay, if you have noticed, if you have seen ever. Okay, and it means this time is in afternoon. This 12 o'clock is of afternoon. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that they have started their work in day shift. Okay, this was, I want to say, they have started the work in day shift. Okay, so first of all we will just try to do as much as they can do in the morning shift. So from here they started, and up to here they can work, because 5 o'clock the efficiency their shift will over now, day shift will over. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 hour they will work. Okay, 5 hour they will work, day. So they require 24, and the another F is required 36. What is their LCM? Their LCM will be 1 no, this will be 72. Sorry, so their LCM will be 72. Now just simply calculate the efficiency also. If we divide this by, this will give 3, and divide 72 by 36, this will give us 2. So this is their efficiency. This is their efficiency, but they can work maximum 5 hours this time. Okay, so add these two. Okay, 5, multiply this by 5, 25. What is the meaning? Where this 5 come? This is the efficiency, and this is the hours, number of hours they can work in that shift which is going on. So they will complete 25. So out of 72 total work, they have completed 25 work. Then what left? Just subtract this upper part from the bottom part, numerator from the denominator. This will give you 7, and here 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2, it will give us 4. Okay, 72. Mean this was done, this is done, and this is left. This is left. Okay, got it. Now what next? Day shift over, night shift will start from here. Okay, so now we will just write the values of night shift. So I'm just erasing this part once. No need. Now at this time I not require this first. Okay, here was day shift, day. Now come to night shift. This is the time, 48 and 24. 48 and 24. What will be their LCM? Their LCM will be 48. Okay, their LCM will be 48, means this will be our total work. Okay, and once I would like to stop you that, because here our total work is 48, but here the total work was 72. Okay, so what we will do, we will just try to make these total work equal. This will make easy our calculation. So I am making how I can make these two equal, this and this. From which number you can multiply this? From which number you can multiply this and this so that they become equal? I will multiply this by 2. Okay, okay, and here also I will multiply this by 3. I can multiply. Okay, then no problem. Their work, their LCM, we will assume that as a 144, and here what will be? Here is, it will be like 144 out of 50. Out of this 50 work is done. And similarly, if we calculate here, this is not required actually. If we see here, 94 work is left, and 72 multiply by 2, it will give, mean in short I would like to explain that this work is left, this work we want to this work they have to complete now. Sad to hear about, अरे यार मेरी video. Okay, so we have mean we have to convert, make this total work equal. Sorry, actually there was little bit disturbance. So now this work we want to complete, this work we wants to complete, and now see what is their efficiency. Their efficiency is if we divide, now this is our total work, okay, not this, this is our total work. So divide 144 by 48, this will give us 3, and divide this will give us 6. So 6 plus 9 equals to 6 plus 3 equals to 9, and maximum the working hour they can work, that is 8 hour. You know na very well, they start from 8 o'clock and they can work up to 4 o'clock only. It is clearly, it was given in this here. So they can work 8 hour. So if they are working with their efficiency of 9, and if they work maximum 8, even they will not able to work, okay, they will able to complete only 72 part of this work. So then what will remain? The part remain 94 minus 72, 22. So 22 will still left. Got it? Mean at the starting they work in, then after they also work in night shift, then night shift also completed. Now what will happen? Now the day shift again starts. Day shift will again, in the few work they have to complete in day shift. Okay, so this 22 part they have to complete in day shift. So I am going to back day shift. What was there? 24 and 36. So now I am reading this first. We will just use that simply the earlier which we have used. Just add the 44, LCM let 44, because assumed here 44. So just simply divide this. This will give us 6, and divide this 2 and 4. This will give us 4. So this efficiency equals to 10. Mean if they both start together, they can their efficiency becomes 10. Okay. So but we want to from them 22. We want to complete this 22 work. So just simply divide this 22 by 10. This is the work. This is the efficiency. Work divided by efficiency was time. So now what will get? 2.2 hours. 2.2 hours means and 0.2 hours mean what? Multiply by 60, it will give us the minutes, mean 12 minutes. 12 minutes. 2 hours and 10 minutes they will take. After starting in morning shift. I hope you understand. If you do not understand the step, just go back and see again that part. So they started in the morning shift. I hope you understand. Just let me once again explain all the thing. At the first, they started at 12 o'clock and worked till 5 o'clock. Then after, they started in a night shift. Night shift started at 8 o'clock and they worked till 4 o'clock in the morning. Even their work was not able to complete. Then what happened? Then they again started in the morning, which in the day shift, which starts at 9 o'clock. Now in this here, this part, they have to work this time 2 hours and 12 minutes. So if they work for 2 hours and 12 minutes, what will the time? At what time they will complete? They will able to complete 9 plus 2, 11 hours, 11 o'clock and 12 minutes. 11 o'clock minute complete their work. Got it? So we have calculated the time. We have calculated time now. So time will be 11 o'clock and 12 minutes. 11, 12. But also date was, I hope you now calculate, you can calculate here the date was, what was the date? Let me once again check. 1/1/2023. Here it was 1/1/23. Let me raise this. It is making our confusion very confusing. So here they started, that time the date was 1, then they work whole the day in day shift. Then the 8 o'clock night shift start, and when this come here, this point, that date change and it becomes date 1 to 2, second date start. Then it again keep continue, and in the morning they work up to 11 o'clock only. So the date was here also, the date was 2nd January. Yeah, or either we can say 2/1/23. Okay, 2/1/23. They were later 1/23. Now come to the third question. Already we have taken very much time. Now come to third question. What is the third question? Third question is night shift efficiency of G is X% more than that than the day shift of efficiency of B. Night efficiency, okay, we will take night efficiency, night time of G, and here day time of B. Okay, then we calculate the efficiency and how much percent is more. We will calculate that. Similarly, what is night efficiency of H is Y and the day efficiency of C. Okay, so we also have to calculate. Then at last we have to calculate what percent of X. So I'm just starting one by one. At the first we have to take night shift of G. See what is the time required by G in at night shift. Night shift is in maroon, this color. Okay, red color. So G night is here. This is 30. Third place it is written 30. So 30. Then after which we have to take day shift of B. Day shift of B. See, day shift mean blue of B. Blue of B means 40. 40 we have to take. After this, now what we will do, we just simply calculate their efficiency. So just assume the total work and just either we have taken the LCM, just simply divide this. This will give us 4 and this 3. So this is their efficiency. And why we have calculated this? Because it asked us this is X% more than the efficiency of B. Mean efficiency to calculate this X%. I have calculated the efficiency. Now you tell me this 4 is what percent more than this 3. So what is the number? How much it is more than? How many number are more than? It is more than 1. Then 3. Okay, now just simply multiply by 100. It will give us our percentage. So 33.333%. Got it? Similarly, this same will also calculate the other. Okay, so I'm just directly, it will give you 25%. This will this second part, if you calculate now, this will give you 75%. Sorry, 25%. And after that, this is our percent. Sorry. This is our Y%. Because already I calculate now this same thing I will do. Then it will, otherwise our video very longer. And this is our X%. So what was the question? Is what Y is what percent of Y is what percent of X? In 25 is what percent of 3333? Okay, so multiply by 100. Now this 33.33 we can write 100 by 3. 100 by 3 we can write this. Now what we will do here, we will set it here with 25. So it will go here. Now what left? 100 will cut this 100 both cut to each other.